kind of bodyguard to protect him from, people asking for money. Poirot is famous, and so, he is in Italy, in Venice, he's going around, and so I'm his protector, actually. I'm there to protect him. Ken is very precise, and he has a talent as a director that he comes to you, and the way he talks to the actors, the way he explains what he's looking for that scene, and the level of the attention that he has to every single actor. And we are many actors at the same time, but he has the same kind of attention even for those actors that maybe in that scene they don't have lines, but he does close-ups, he tells everything with a kind of obsessive precision, but with some warm attitude that makes you feel you can go over your limits. He has like a very good level, balance between, the absurd character, which Poirot is, starting from the mustache, supposed to be, I don't want to say, this is my idea of Poirot, supposed to be a little bit not, but at the end not. This is the wonderful thing, because we think, but he is the only one who understood everything. This is the great thing about this character, and I think Ken does it perfectly. It is a wonderful production designer. It's amazing because, I know Venice very well. I've been there so many times, and it looks, we are in Venice here. She's amazing. And that performance, that scene, she really was very, very tough, very, impressive, quite frankly, and absolutely disturbing, sinister. We believed completely that she was like having like a kind of trance.
Mr. Poirot, you must help me. My parents both mysteriously died last year. My brother soon after. Our doctor can't explain it. Please, monsieur, I fear for my life. They say we're cursed.
What did they tell you? Touch him again, and I keep your hand.
Excuse me, sir.